All right, I'm going to go through your homework from last night. I'm going to try to work as many of these out as time will allow me to. I've kind of abbreviated the problem, but I'm just going to go straight down the line. Number one, it says write an equation of the line that contains the point 8, 0 and is parallel to the equation y equals 3/4 x plus 1. Okay, remember whenever we do these problems, we're going to use our general slope formula. All right, so in this situation, our slope is currently 3/4, so our parallel slope is going to be the same. That's going to go in for our m. Okay, y and x are part of the formula, as are the minus signs. So now I'm just going to fill in my values for x1 and y1. y1 is 0 and x1 is 8. I told you in class that we will most likely do slope-intercept form on all of these, even though it didn't say. When I do these today, I'm going to do slope-intercept form on a few and standard form on a few, just so you can see both ways. In slope-intercept form, you want y to come first, so I'm going to multiply my y first. From here, you distribute. Four times 0 is 0, so I didn't write that down here with the 4y. And then to get y all by itself, I am simply going to divide by 4. So y equals 3/4 x minus 6. This should be your answer to problem number 1. All right, problem number 2 tells us that the ordered pair is going to be -4, -3, and it is parallel to y equals -1/2 x. All right, so once again, since it is parallel, it's going to be the same slope. So I'm going to start off with -1/2 equals y minus over x minus, and fill in our ordered pair numbers. Okay, plot, plot, fizz, fizz on both of those. And again, since it is slope-intercept form, I'm going to multiply my y first. Distribute. And now our goal is to get y by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 6. And then divide everything by 2. All right. Problem number 3 switches it up just a little bit, because it gives us the ordered pair -5, 1, but it says perpendicular. And our equation is y equals 5/2 x plus 2. Okay, so if our current slope is 5/2, then our perpendicular slope is going to be -5 over 2. Everything else is the same process. X1 and Y1, they just go where they belong in the formula. Plot, plot, fizz, fizz here. And I'll do this one in slope-intercept form as well. So it's going to be 2 times y minus 1 equals -5 times x plus 5. 2y minus 2 equals -5x minus 25. And now let's get y by itself. Add 2. And then divide by 2. So our final answer should be y equals -5 over 2x minus 23 over 2. All right, we'll try to fit number 4 in at least before I run out of time. Like I said, these videos are only allowed to be so long. All right, number 4 is -12, 5. It does want perpendicular. And our equation is y equals 3x plus 6. All right, so our current slope is 3 over 1. So that means our perpendicular slope is going to be -1 over 3. Y minus 5, x minus -12. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz. All right, in standard form, we want x first. So I'm going to say negative 1 times x plus 12 equals 3 times y minus 5. All right, ax plus by equals c. So we want x and y together on the left. So I'm going to move my y over, and he's going to become negative. I'm also going to move my 12 over. He becomes positive, and negative 15 plus 12 is negative 3. The other thing you cannot have in standard form is a negative x, so we need to change our signs. So the final answer is going to be a positive x, a positive 3y, and a positive 3.